Okay, I want to make a video about how to upload sounds into FlipaClip. So first, go to FlipaClip, okay, and then I would do this. Okay, let's just make a random one. And I already have one that I'm trying to upload, but I'm going to put it on my phone for now. So first, I'll press add, but it will be different on your iPad, but like you'll see these right here, and I'll go to add audio, and then wait, you watch it and you press it again. You go to files first. See how I have stuff? I got this, like I downloaded. Okay, first that's how I did it. First I recorded using my phone for an audio on YouTube. Then I put it in my files, and then after that I just use my files and go into this and just choose it, and now drag it, and now it's 792. It's gonna be long. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna make a video.